Chapter number 5, Accounting for Non-Current Assets. Key concepts. Non-current assets. Depreciation. Disposals. Non-current assets: property, plant, equipment, and intangible assets. Depreciation. Allocation of the cost of an asset over its useful life. Methods of depreciation: straight line, reducing balance, units of production. Disposals. Accounting for the sale or disposal of assets, including calculating gain or loss on disposal. Chapter number 6, Provisions, Contingencies and Events after the reporting period. Key concepts. Provisions. Contingent liabilities and assets. IAS 37. Events after the reporting period. Provisions. Liabilities of uncertain timing or amount, e.g., warranties, restructuring costs. Contingent liabilities and assets. Potential obligations or assets depending on the outcome of uncertain future events. IAS 37. Rules for recognizing provisions and contingencies. Events after the reporting period. Distinguishing between adjusting and non-adjusting events, and ensuring the appropriate disclosures are made. Chapter 7, Accounting for accruals and prepayments. Key concepts. Accruals. Prepayments. Adjusting entries. Accruals. Expenses that have been incurred but not yet paid, e.g., wages, utilities. Prepayments. Payments made in advance for expenses that will be recognized in the future, e.g., insurance. Adjusting entries. How to make adjustments for accruals and prepayments at the end of an accounting period. Chapter number 8, Financial Statements for Sole Traders and Partnerships. Key concepts. Sole traders. Partnerships. Sole traders. Preparing income statements, P&L, and the statement of financial position, balance sheet. Drawings. Reducing the equity of the business by the owner's withdrawals. Partnerships. Accounting for profit-sharing arrangements, capital accounts, current accounts, and appropriation of profits. Changes in partnership. Admission, retirement, and dissolution of partners. Chapter number 9, Financial Statements for Limited Companies. Key concepts. Limited companies. Dividends. Limited companies. Preparation of financial statements for companies with shareholders. Statement of financial position, SOFP, assets, liabilities, and equity. Profit and loss statement. Revenue, expenses, and profit. Statement of changes in equity. Movement in reserves and retained earnings. Dividends. Accounting for declared and paid dividends. Chapter number 10, The Statement of Cash Flows. Key concepts. Purpose of cash flow statement. Operating activities. Investing and financing activities. Purpose of cash flow statement. Shows the liquidity of a business by detailing the cash generated and used in operating, investing, and financing activities. Operating activities. Direct and indirect methods of calculation. Adjustments for depreciation, working capital changes, interest, and tax payments. Investing and financing activities. Cash inflows and outflows related to long-term investments and financing transactions. Chapter 11, Interpretation of Financial Statements. Key concepts. Financial ratios. Limitations of ratios. Financial ratios. Profitability. Gross profit margin, net profit margin, return on capital employed, ROCE. Liquidity. Current ratio, quick ratio. Efficiency. Inventory turnover, receivables, payables days. Gearing. Debt to equity ratio. Limitations of ratios. External factors, accounting policies, and industry differences. Conclusion. The ACCA FA syllabus provides a comprehensive foundation in financial accounting, ensuring that students develop the necessary technical skills and theoretical understanding. The topics covered in the syllabus are essential for the preparation of accurate and compliant financial statements, which are a critical part of business operations and decision-making. By mastering the content in each chapter, students will not only be prepared for the exam but also gain valuable skills applicable in real-world accounting roles.